Hi, how's it going? Today we have a Biling solar spotlight for outdoors. So it's a set. So you get two of them, the solar panel and the light. It has the screws. It gives you the option if you want to mount it on the wall. This little knob here, or you could adjust it to different angles. But if you don't want to mount it, you just want to put it outside in your yard, it gives you this option as well. So you put this spike, you put this in, and then you just tighten it to whatever angle you want to put it at. And there you go. I forgot to mention, right behind the light, there's an on button. So when you click it in the dark, it turns on. So make sure you turn on both of them. This one's already on, as you can see. Go ahead and mount these. And just so you know, it has a dim setting with one click. You click it again, it's brighter. So I want to light up this sign here. There's one on the side. The second one.